Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode of Staub Unboxing here. Now today I am sharing quite a few pieces here. As you can see, I have 6 boxes altogether. I just want to show you some great idea of Christmas present if you're thinking about buying something for your friends or your family. And the reason why I'm showing you all these boxes because I have 6 different colors to show you. So let's get into the unboxing here. Okay, before I go ahead and first unbox my first item here, if you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and be sure to give a thumbs up at the end of this video and feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Alright, so this is something that I've shown previously and I used it already. And actually this is an extra piece that I purchased because I'm actually giving it away to my brother. So this is the Cocotte here in the Graphite color. And this particular piece is the 4-quart. Alright, so this is a very beautiful 4-quart pieces. Alright, so if you're thinking about getting one of these Cocotte here, actually the Swilling website is, it has a new version. The new version is that the lid is completely glass. Now that is something that they're doing on a promotion right now. It's $129.99 and I'm just sharing the price point with you. Now also, I will be actually going to check out my local Swilling factory store and I will also show you how much it is in terms of getting one of these 4-quart. Now, some people ask me in the comments that what do you recommend getting in terms of a first stove piece? Now, I think a 4-quart is very useful in a day-to-day life use. If you don't have a large family, if you're only cooking for 1 or 2 people, or even just for a family size of 4, the 4-quart will definitely be sufficient enough for you to use. So let me go ahead and quickly unbox a few more pieces here with you in terms of the variety of colors that you can actually get here. Okay, so I have arranged all the different colors of the Staub Cocotte that I own so far, and I'm gonna be recording each color so then it captures the true color. So then you can make your decision in terms of which one to get for as a gift for your friends or your family. But these are essentially all the 4 quarts that I have. I have a total of 6 pieces here and you can see I almost collect all the colors. Absolutely not. There's definitely more colors to collect, sorry. But at least I got 6 of these. So you can see how insanely I am in love with my Staub Cocotte. So I just want to share with you some of my joy here. And yes, definitely some of my friends and family will be getting their Christmas presents in these amazing 4-quarts Staub Cocottes. Alright, so let me just show you the color here. Okay, so I want to first introduce you to my very first Cocotte color, which is the Graphite gray. So this is the gray color. You can see how stunning this is. And then the next color that I had added into my collection was this, the Grandinian red color. Alright, so I apologize if I pronounce it incorrectly, these names. And then it follows by the next color that I added was this beautiful deep blue color. This is just a gorgeous blue. It gives a hint of like purplish blue, which is awesome. This is an awesome piece. I definitely love my blue color here. It's just stunning. The next color that I've added into my Staub collection was this La Mer color with the William Sonoma pineapple. Alright, so this is the La Mer color, which I absolutely adore this color piece. And then the next one was one of my wife's favorite color, which is, I know she's quite boring, the matte black finish of this Staub Cocotte. And then followed by adding this white pieces in. Now, I really never unboxed this piece with you guys. I waited all this time to do this Christmas shopping idea for you guys for the forecourt. So this is a piece that I've purchased, the white color. Now I have to tell you, sometimes if you go to the swirling factory outlet, sometimes you will find some pieces that it has a minor defect, and I'm going to show you the minor defects here. You see this right here? It looks like a paint that chipped. All right, so there's a little chip here. So back then, I thought to myself, well, I'm probably the one who's going to be using this piece. I'm not giving this away. So I really don't mind the chip here. And this was one of the last piece that they have in white. The price points was amazing. It was selling for $99.99. Because it was chip, they gave this to me, I believe, like $69.99, like $70. So I just can't complain with the minor chip. And some of the wear and tear when I actually use the Cocotte here, on the bottom, sometimes you're gonna get scratches on the bottom. And I really found there's no issue with having a kind of like a chip issue here. Like, it's not like it's gonna get rusted or anything. So far with the scratches that I have on the bottom of those Cocottes, I don't have any rust issue. So that is something that you don't need to be concerned with. And it's just the appearance, right? The appearance is not so good. You might not want to buy one piece that is like chipped for your friends or for your family. I totally understand, when we're giving gifts, we like to be spotless. But this is like, something that you can consider buying for yourself if you're just using it for yourself. Okay, the white truffle. Oh, this is another great color. This is called the white truffle. And this color is just amazing. I have including this, I have 2 pieces that is in white truffle. So, very nice. And this is the Basil color. And this green, like I said, is something new that I just added to the collection of colors. And this is quite stunning. All right, and final color. Recently, I've unboxed it. This piece right here, the burnt orange. All right, so this really reminds me of fall colors. It's just lovely. I don't remember if I mentioned the knob here is the rabbit. This is something that I purchased on the side. I don't know if you can actually find a rabbit knob anymore, so this might be discontinued. But for those who know anything about the rabbit knob, please feel free to comment below. Okay, so this is my entire collection of the different colors that I have so far with Staub. Please feel free to comment below which one is your favorite color, which color are you thinking about purchasing for your friends and family for Christmas present. Let me know if you have any other comments or questions about the Staub. Now, please note that I am not affiliated with the Staub or Swirling group here. I'm just doing this for the love of the brand itself. All right, so I know some of you guys been requesting for my coupon code, but quite frankly, recently I really haven't purchased new Staub pieces online. So the coupon code was something that they provided me when I purchased something online. And yeah, so I haven't purchased anything online recently. So I'm so sorry that I'm not able to provide you with that 20% coupon code. But, keep an eye out, okay? Because if I do decide to purchase something, I will definitely share that coupon code again. If you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode of my Staub collection, giving you some idea in terms of what color to pick for your friends and family if you decided to buy one of these Staub Cocottes, Christmas present, or it's just a great gift in general for any housewarming gift. Definitely use this, take it with a grain of salt in terms of the pricing that I've mentioned, because pricing always changes. And I just referenced some in the past just to give you an idea. And as of today, the 4-quart, I see some promotion is like $1.99. I think it's still great pieces to acquire for your very first stove. Please, I would love to hear any comments below from you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer it if I know the answer to your questions. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button on the bottom, and I wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. And also, go check out some pricing for Thanksgiving deal. Maybe you will find some great deal out there. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.